Okay, so you win. We have ordered lists and unordered lists. I'm going to delete what we already have here so that we can have our lists up and running. Alright, we're going to discuss lists today. HTML lists. Alright, the first thing about lists, let's start with unordered lists. Unordered lists. It's called UL, which stands for unordered list. Unordered list. Okay, and to make an unordered list, what you have to do is just list them. LI stands for list. You just list them. You have you just make a list like this: a partner, Ozalo, ghost. Okay, this is an unordered list. So let's go check out what it is like here on the site. Okay, so we get back to our site and check. We refresh and bang, that's what we have here. As you can see, it marked everything with a dot here. That's what it is by default, but you can actually change this by CSS, using CSS, or you can even remove it using CSS. Then if we are going to change it to an ordered list, what we would have is just to remove this OL and change it here to OL and refresh. What we have is 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, lists are so easy that anybody can do it. But I want to give you a hint here. This is what they used to make tabs in websites. Sometimes when you visit websites, you see a menu. These lists that they used to make it, then they will use CSS, write a CSS for it. So instead of this thing being vertical, it will now be horizontal. Then you use CSS to design it more. It now becomes a menu. All those drop down that you see when you click on something on a menu, it drops down. This is what they used to do it, and mostly on ordered lists to avoid the numbers. When we get to CSS, we'll see how to do such beautiful stuff. Okay, all these look at these tabs on this browser. All of them are lists. This is one list like this that was made horizontal. Alright, so in the next tutorial we'll be rounding up our HTML class, and I will show you some links you could use to go and check out whatever is remaining for you to cover in HTML. But the points I've taught you is good enough to get you started. It is 80% of the job, and I hope you really master HTML soon. The next thing you need to learn after HTML is CSS. Okay, so thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.